name is Pam Hurley, and I'm the owner and founder of Hurley Write Incorporated. Today, I want to talk to you about readability studies. Readability studies are exactly what they say they are. They're the study of how readers read. Why is that important? Because when we understand how readers read, we can then write for our particular readers. Right. So a lot of times clients will come to us and say, well, they need grammar. No, they probably don't need grammar. What they really need to do is to understand how their readers read. One of the things we know is that people don't read like they used to even 5 years ago, 10 years ago. Why? Because they are bombarded with information. So it's incredibly important then as writers that we be able to target our readers, understand what's important to them, understand how they read, so that we can write messages that are focused on them and their needs and their wants. And that's where readability studies come in. And that's why they're so incredibly important. If your team is struggling with writing, it's probably because they don't know how to write for their particular readers. And that's what we teach. I'm Pam Hurley, the owner and founder of Hurley Write Incorporated, a certified women-owned small business. If you'd like more information, give us a call, 877-249-7483. Thank you.